Hello, happy Friday. It's January 17th, and today's plan is that we are going to be finishing any pitches that you didn't get to in class yesterday. So wherever you left off on the surveys, you're going to go ahead and you're going to survey, or you're going to be listening to those people today and finishing up those surveys. Hopefully you finished up yesterday. If not, then you've got probably one or two more presentations to do. When you're done with those, the substitute hopefully will be sharing the results of that survey with you so that you can kind of see what people thought of your ideas. So when all those pitches are done, as a class, I want you to have a discussion and vote on which ideas were your top 3, 4, or 5 favorites, and kind of discuss why they were favorites to you. Then I want you to make sure that you get together in your groups of 3 or 4, think about your topic, how your topic was received by the class, and make sure that your decisions are all kind of taken care of. So over the weekend, you've got a 3-day weekend coming up. No school on Monday. Don't show up. So look for more research and start building a background for your paper. You don't have to write anything, but finding research links and then taking down some notes about it would be a good idea. Today, before you leave class, create a shared Google Doc where you will put links to different articles that research the background of the topic that you are interested in studying. And then underneath those links, you can put like little notes about the information that's in there. And then when you come back to school on Tuesday, you're going to be using that to kind of explore a little bit more about your topic. All right, so go ahead and finish up your pitches and then get together in your groups, form a shared Google Doc, begin researching and inserting links and notes about those links into your Google Doc. And have a great weekend.